Howdy, fellas. Today we got a 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. Former NFL player, not formal actually, current NFL player. Plays for the Green Bay Packers, pulled up to get some starlights in it. Stay tuned to see exactly how to take apart a headliner for a Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT.
It's running.
Finger, you should have one, 5 of them. Stick in this, take that, and just pull. You gotta be a man. Sorry, females. Push down.
We're gonna cancel.
That's it. Clip here. These two line up in a hole. Hope you're able to do that. This clip, push this lever down in the back. It slides out of this pillar.
Show them.
And then you set. This slides into the pillar. Just push down on it, and then it'll slide out of the pillar.
Nice.
You get another pry tool. You pry this little cap. Behind this little cap, there's a Torx that I need to go get. Be right back. T20. Take off the cap from here by prying it out. Get that T20. And pull that out. Get the red pry tool. Go behind that. You pull this cap out. After that, there's sockets that I need to go get. After you remove the cap, get an 8mm socket. There's 3 bolts. Let's go remove them. After that, should be able to pry down. Pry it down. That's it. Red pry tool. Get there. There's a little crack. You just pull the cover out. Do this for both sides, and then there's a Torx. So after you remove both covers, you just get the T30, and then you just reverse it out. That's it for the handlebars.
Go ahead. Narrate.
Pull down
From the back.
from the back. And Velcro on the front, dome lights free. I think that's it. Red tool. To pry the B pillar, you just get the red tool and you just kind of go side to side. That's it.
And we're untucking it because it just comes out so easily. So it's a lot
No
more
need to
effort.
take apart the B pillar.
Yeah, exactly.
You get a big flathead. There's a cap in there for the hook. Put it in there, and you pry it down. And it is a Torx. You get a T25. Let's go ahead and remove this. Okay, so to be honest, you just gotta get your fingers in there. You just gotta pull this out. There's nothing but a bunch of clips. That should be good. This car's definitely taken apart before. There's a clip missing. Got it. You got a 7mm socket. After you remove this bottom panel,
Point it out.
a bolt will be exposed right there. It's kind of tricky location. But you gotta pry the bottom panel out and just loosen that out. Just hope you don't drop it. Pull it down. These two panels are combined, so you pry them down.
No.
There it goes. Now this is free. There's a bunch of nasty clips. Gotta put some shoulder into it.
Come around to
the back. This is middle panel right here. You gotta use your fingers and just like
work your way down. Yeah.
So after you remove the middle panel, it's this panel here. Same thing, clip. It might fall out, just hold on to it.
Hold up, let me come to the other side.
Then you just pull down. It's a big clip.
It's called a Hemi clip. You can see by the way it looks.
Why do you make a deep voice?
The Hemi's inside of the...
You remove this panel right here. Like, just gotta pull down. And it's loose. There's just all these clips. You just gotta push down right here, and it'll slide out. There it goes. That's one of them. There's no one in the back. Back one's optional today. And after removing all the panels and all the bolts and all the hidden stuff, 2 clips right here. You just gotta pry it down. There it goes. It's loose, one right here, and the symmetrical one right here. Oh God. So bad. There it is. After you remove those 2 black clips in the back, you just a bunch of Velcro around the whole sunroof. You just pull down. Ignore that. She's free.
Nice.
So move the headliner, tilt one side down, other side up, and you do the hokey pokey, you shake it all about.
Alright boys, preparing the install of the headliner. Just got 1,000 stars with shooting stars. Install is pretty simple. Just gonna angle like that and just goes right in. You want to have some other support on the other side to help guide the headliner from there, and then another one from that side. You see that? And from there it starts gliding. You want to hold these fibers out of the way, make sure it's not bulging or anything like that. You'll start seeing how it just glides in. All right, and just like that, the headliner is in and ready to get installed.
We forgot to record where we hide the light kit. So in this back, I'm in the back in the trunk, in this pillar here, this is where we ran the fibers. They were attached to here on the headliner. And then on this right side, we ran all the fibers, and then the kit is hiding in here. You're gonna find a cavity in here, and the kit's just sitting in here hiding. And all the fibers are running from down here. So from the headliner to here, and then it's hiding here.
Ciro, me dá beat.
I'll clean.
Can you
My bad, bro. I didn't know.
last and release this